Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Can't see a thing. My eyes are absolutely terrible. Open project. A million to one. It's 4:30 in the morning. Can't sleep. Been laid in bed for an hour. So I thought I'd get up, do a bit of editing. And I'm eating peanut butter. Funny, only a little bit in the jar. But what am I doing? Why am I doing it? Crazy. Got another little blue tablet to take. Come on, son, get a grip. Get a grip. Now then, where are we? I'm having another few hours grafting in the garden, but feeling a bit weak today. I've done some digging. I've been with Dangerous Brian to get my fence and some timber. I didn't film that. Got a new fence in the corner, got to fasten it. Some timber over there. That's enough for today. Got the basic shape. Stained 3 of the timbers, another one around the corner, but I am absolutely shattered. Oh, it's been tough today. I've not been feeling it, been feeling a little bit weak. Right, let's have a look. What do you think? Look at that bloody pigeon, just on cue. Rained off. I wanted to crack on today with this, but we're rained off. Never mind. Never mind. Got a few little jobs to do today. I'll explain as I'm wandering along in the rain. Oh, I'm up against it. I've got about 8 minutes to get to the doctor's surgery for a blood test for my vitamin B12. It's down, it's gone. So I've been on tablets for a while, and if they haven't done anything, I might have to have a vitamin B12 injection. I've also got to nip across and get my next month's prescription for my weight loss tablets, which seem to be working now. I'm getting into it. The symptoms aren't quite as bad. Probably my body's getting used to it. I've got to nip to town, do a few things, get some more veg and some proteins and stuff like that, some meat. I've also been looking at buying a tent, the Optimus Solo. Well, they've got a sleep system as well, which I'm looking at, so I might drop them a line and see if I tell them that I will show the tent and everything on my forthcoming videos to the lakes, if I can get a bit of a discount. I don't think they will, because my channel isn't really a camping or hiking channel, but you never know. If you don't ask, you don't get. The chemist isn't open yet for another 45 minutes. So I'm not hanging around. I'll wander into town, get my stuff, and then come back. I don't mind really, it just adds to my steps for the day, and I'm not doing anything else in this weather. I'll just wander. I've taken a little bit of shelter. Now I think I'm going to have a bit of a kerfuffle later on, because my post office prepaid travel card has run out. Now there's only £3.80 on it, but I want a new card. Now when I got this, originally I had to open it with £50. Will they try and ask the same again? Because technically I've opened the account but the card has run out. So will they give me a new card, and then I will be able to transfer from this, or they might be able to transfer from this onto the new card. Let's see what happens. Right, all I want from here is a little bit of veg. Cauliflower, broccoli, broad beans, or sprouts. That'll do, £3. He's on him, he's on his own, poor lad. I'm heartbroken. £3.47 it come to. You look in the freezer, broccoli 99, cauliflower 97, sprouts in between them, so you think they're 99. No, £1.40 odd. They know how to con you. They know how to do it, don't they? The traffic in Lancaster is like this all the time. It is absolutely appalling. Absolutely appalling. And if there's any roadworks, it's backed up for miles. Green Party in charge. They don't want people in the cars. They want them walking and on push bikes. It doesn't take much here to put it down to one lane. In fact, they won't put it down to one lane when the lady mayoress got a toll note. I went in the little post office. He's very helpful, the young lad in there, and he told me that I've got to contact them and they will send out a barcode with the amount on, and he can transfer it perhaps onto a new card. Now if they give me a new card at the post office, you've got to put £50 on, but he said they might send a new card out with the amount that's already on, but he said don't hold your breath. I'm walking in a river through the centre of town. Right, I'm going to go to Trespass now and price up a 50 litre Mac pack. Then I'll go to Go Outdoors and have a look in there, and then probably end up buying one off Amazon. Open, not open, open, open. That is not bad. You see that? Oh, I'm all bagged out. I've looked at 3 or 4 different bags in a few shops. Can't make my mind up. But first thing I've got to do, I think, is wait until I get my tent and my sleep system, and then I've got a better idea of the size that I need. It's going to be 50 to 60 litres, maybe 65 litres. Anyway, enough of this. Time to get home, get me pyjamas on, get in front of that telly, watch a little bit of YouTube, and I'm going to watch Prayer Before Dawn, a film about Billy Moore. I met him in Manchester, you know. I've been meaning to watch that film for quite a while, so I'm going to watch it today because I'm rained off. I can't really do anything else. So until whenever and wherever, over and out. Yeah. I had to go back for my tablets. Got halfway home, forgot all about them. Anyway, I thought I'd get it done today, and it's out of the way. It's out of the way. Whew. I want to see, when I take this jacket off, if my t-shirt's dry underneath. It should be. Let's have a look. Look at that. It's a little bit wet round here, but I've not had it fastened up fully. But look at that. Look where my belly is, pressing against the fabric. That jacket is not suitable for heavy rain. I've got my own lake. Look at the water, look. One step forward, two steps back. I'm sat sitting on my big chair with my monkey nuts. I've got my pyjamas tucked into my socks. I look a little bit like Lord Ashfordley from the TV show Heartbeat. I'm settling down to watch A Prayer Before Dawn, the story about Billy Moore, who I met one afternoon in Manchester and got a picture with him. It's supposed to be a cracking film. I'm looking forward to it. Over and out.